very easy. So perimeter equal to 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 50, 70 plus 50, that is 120, 120 half, that is 60. Okay, 120 by 2, that is. So S equal to 60. Now find its area. Now find its area. Just look at the board. Just look at the board. So area equal to 60 into 60 minus 30 into 60 minus 40 into 60 minus 60. Sorry, 50. 60 into 60 minus 30, 30 into 60 minus 40, 20 into 10. Into 10. Now, students, this 30 can be written, 60 can be written as 30 into 2 into 30 into 20 can be written as 2 into 10 into 10. Okay, look at the board. 230 are there. So out of root, in class 8 you have learned, out of the root it will be 30. 2 tens are there, it will be out of root 10. 2 2s are there, so 2. So it is 600 centimeter square. 600 centimeter square. From here we can derive the Brahmagupta. Yes, Brahmagupta formula has, we can derive from here. Okay. So got that question? It is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone, yes or no? So using that formula, A equal to S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. And where S is the half perimeter, ABC are the length of triangle okay, and that formula for finding area. Student, I am starting from the question number 3. First 2 questions I have solved already in our YouTube channel. If you face any problem to solve question number 1 and 2, you can tell me in the next class. Tomorrow you will have the class. I will solve it again. Okay. So question number 3. It is given that there is a slide park. Okay. One of its side wall has been painted some color with the message keep the park green and clean. If sides of the wall are 15 centimeter, 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. Okay. So it's a slide park and 3 sides. I am taking A equal to question number 3. It is question number 3. A equal to 15. B equal to 11 meter and C equal to 6 meter. Now tell me the S. First tell me the S quickly in the chat box. Quickly in the chat box. Already it is given. All of you, not only Riddhita. Okay, so Suhit, what is the perimeter? Sohelika, who are in the call? Just write it down quickly. Subhasis, Ornesa, so many students, 16 students are here and few of them are answering. It is very bad. Who have answered? Only Annesa, sorry, Riddhita, Annesa, Ritika, perimeter. Protoy. Okay. S equal to 16. So S equal to 16 meter. S equal to 16 meter. Okay. Now S equal to 16 meter. What will be the area? The area formula is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So that equal to 16 into 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6. So it will be 16, 16 minus 15 1, 16 minus 11 4 and 16 minus 6 10. That is 10. Okay. Now 16 into 1, that is not 4, that is 5. Okay. 16 minus 11, that is 5. So now 16 means 4 into 4, 5 and 10 means 5 into 2. 4 out of and 5, 20 root 2. 20 root 2 is the answer. So what is the area? What is the area of that? What is the area of that park? That sorry, not triangular wall. What is the area of the triangular wall? That is 20 root 2 meter square. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Yes or no? If you put the value of root 2, that is 1.41, then you can get. Okay? Got it? Yes or no? Okay. So how much time is left today? 10 minutes we have. Then I will start the next sum, otherwise not. How much time in today's class we have? Okay. Okay, then I can start. So question number 4. Question number 4. Go to the question number 4. Go to the question number 4. Find the area of the triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter is 42 centimeters. Very good sum. Okay. So I am taking question number 4. I am taking A equal to 18 centimeter, B equal to 10 centimeter. I don't know the value of C, and perimeter is given. Perimeter is given, that is 42 centimeter. Perimeter is given, that is 42 centimeter. Okay. Now students, one thing it is clear that (42) centimeter. It is clear to all of you how I will get the third side, that is 14 centimeter. It is clear to everyone. It is clear to everyone that third side equal to 42, that is 14 centimeter. It is clear? Okay, next. As P equal to 42 centimeter, what will be the S, value of S? It is very easy, 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Okay, 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Now the area equal to S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S means 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10 and 21 minus 14. 21 minus 18, that is 3, 11 into 7. Now that 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 3 into 11 into 7. Now 2 3s are in the product from under the square root, so it will be in the outside, that is 3, and 2 7s, it is 7 and root 11. So 21 root 11 centimeter square is the answer. 21 root 11 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, I hope it is clear. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt?